Hi guys, it's another unboxing time. I got another gift from my company Oriflame, and this time around it is a gorgeous gift that I have seen online. So it's the Hamptons Robe, okay? The Hamptons Robe. I got it a few weeks back actually, but I've not had the time to just unbox it. And I'm really excited to open it today, finally, okay, and share this moment with you. All right, so yes, so this is the Hamptons robe. This is our logo, so you'd see that logo. It's Oriflame exclusive logo. All right, so we get gifts like this all the time as brand partners with Oriflame. Generally, when you go to a supermarket to shop for regular beauty products, they don't pay you or give you massive gifts like that. So but we are getting gifts that cost a lot, thousands of naira, okay, just for shopping for our regular needs, regular beauty and wellness needs. So you shop for your toothpaste, your body lotion, body cream, skincare, hair care products, fit care products, feminine products, or your supplements, weight loss products. And because you have shopped, the company now gives us accessories, just like wristwatches, like this one I'm wearing right now. It's from Oriflame. And robes. This is like this should be the third robe that I'm getting from Oriflame. I've gotten blankets, I've gotten towels, I've gotten wristwatches, uncountable actually. I've gotten necklaces, earrings, so many things, bags. Oh my God, so many things really. And this time it's another robe, and I've seen the color online, like I said, and I really love it because my favorite color is on this robe. Okay, so let's open it. Let's open. Let's open and see. Oh my God! See this lush looking. Oh my God! This is so gorgeous. This is so gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. Like, look at this. Looks so soft. So soft. So soft. So I hope to put this on, add a picture of how it looks by the time I'm editing this video, okay? This is me using this opportunity to invite you to register to join Oriflame. Like, just register. There's nothing to lose, really. I'm telling you, there's nothing to lose because you have the opportunity to shop for your high quality beauty and wellness products at a massive discount. So in Nigeria, for instance, you get up to 23% discount on every product. Talk about fragrances. Oh, I didn't mention that. Fragrances, like top-notch, high-quality fragrances, skincare, hair care, body care products, anything that you just need from head to toe to keep your body, healthy and all of that. Supplements, all manner of supplements for hair, for women, for men, even for children. Okay, you want to lose weight, we have the meal replacement product and all of that. So shop for that. Register, shop at a discount, and these are products that actually work. I use these products. So when I'm saying this, I'm saying it out of conviction and out of the fact that I've had experiences with this product. So you're not going to regret using any of these products, okay? All right, so that's about it. If you need more information about Oriflame, feel free to send me a message. I would love to tell you more about it and show you how to join so that you can shop for your products. And if you want a business that you can actually run with relatively low capital, all you just need is small capital, the skill to sell, and to build a community of fellow wellness and beauty consultants, sure, that will be an amazing way to make extra money, or to make money actually. So I invite you to join. I invite you to just consider it. You have nothing to lose. If you go to buy your body lotion or your body cream from the supermarket, you still pay the full price, okay? And some of these things do not even have the best quality ingredients in them. But these products by Oriflame, they are made with nature-based ingredients, and that's the good thing. So they are safe for use and they work. I say it again, they work. You can see my skin, right? This is Oriflame at work. My skin was horrible, was terrible before I found Oriflame. So, and that's why I say all the time that I can't leave Oriflame, forget it. Even if you are not selling the product, even if you don't want to run it as a business, right? Just shop for your own products. Like, experience the product, experience the joy that comes with this product. All right. I can't wait to use my robe. Thank you very much for joining me to unbox this beautiful, soft, comfortable, cozy item. All right, until I come your way next time, remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel if you want to learn more about Oriflame or relationship and marriage. Yes, I share a lot of content about that. And share this video with as many people as you can, your friend, your sister, your brother that you think might need an extra source of income. Share this video with them. Let them also, reach out to me. I would love to guide. All right. Thank you so much and bye.